Ready to turn your Discord server into the ultimate party hub with some killer tunes. First up, choosing the right music bot. And while some classics like Groovy and Rhythm are gone, there are still great options, so do some research and pick one that fits your needs. Now that you have chosen your bot, head to its website and find the invite link, typically labeled invite or add to Discord. Click the invite link, and you'll be taken to Discord's authorization page. Here, select the server you want to add the bot to from the drop-down menu, then authorize the necessary permissions to allow the bot to function. After authorizing, the bot should appear in your server's member list, usually with a bot tag. Time to test it out. Go to a text channel in your server and type the bot's prefix followed by a command like play and then the name of a song or a URL. Common prefixes are usually or per. Join a voice channel and the bot should connect and start playing music. Many bots also have commands for skipping songs, pausing, adjusting volume, and creating playlists, so familiarize yourself with the bot's specific commands. And that's it. With the bot now set up, your community can collaborate on the playlist, request songs, and enjoy a shared listening experience, making your Discord server the perfect place to hang out.